Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by adding a lightweight mock server like MSW or JSON server so you can iterate quickly. Create basic handlers for the endpoints you will call, returning small predictable payloads. Then update your fetch or Axios base URL to point at the mock host. Once done, run the mock and your app concurrently. Make sure your network layer routes to the mock while preserving real request shapes. This lets you confirm API contract without backend dependencies. Next, integrate the mock into your components and hooks. Swap the real adapter for the mock in environments or during test runs. Use realistic payloads and include edge cases like 4XX or empty arrays so you exercise UI states. Add a couple of integration tests that hit the mock endpoints to assert rendering and error handling. Once tests run reliably, iterate on payload shape and response delays to model production timing. This reveals race conditions early. To finish, gate the mock behind an env variable or feature flag so you can toggle between mock and real services without code changes. Document each mock endpoint and include example responses for teammates to reuse. Then run a final pass with simulated latencies and error rates to ensure resilience. If things go wrong, enable detailed logging in both the mock and client. This single troubleshooting tip usually exposes mismatched paths, header differences, or payload shapes causing failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.